following counties in Ohio: Delaware, Franklin, Madison, and Union. A strong thunderstorm will affect northwestern Franklin, southwestern Delaware, northeastern Madison, and southeastern Union counties in central Ohio until 3 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., radar indicated a strong thunderstorm near Plain City, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 45 miles an hour, pea-size hail. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, Marysville, Worthington, Powell, Plain City, Minerva Park, New California, Ohio State University, Polaris, Grandview Heights, Shawnee Hills, Ostrander, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Riverly, and Unionville Center. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 93 and 100. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 106 and 107, and between mile markers 109 and 125. To report hazardous weather conditions, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, south central Delaware County, southwestern Licking County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Powell, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Pickerington, Worthington, Bexley, Pawhuska, Powell, Canal Winchester,